Okay, let's do our next example, and let's go ahead and divide x cubed minus 4x plus 1, and we'll divide all of that by x squared minus 2. How are we going to do that? Well, first thing we do, as always, we want to set this up as a long division problem. X cubed plus, oh, no x squared term, so I put 0x squared minus 4x plus 1. And then here I have x squared. Now, for this part, we have to put a 0 here, too, because we don't have an x term. So x squared plus 0x minus 2. So both the outside and the inside, you don't want to skip terms. Sometimes it won't be too much of an issue, sometimes it will, so just always add a 0 if you're missing a power of x or whatever your variable is. X squared times what is x cubed? Well, I think x. X times x squared is x cubed. X times 0 is 0x squared. So there I just have zeros. I guess it didn't matter too much, but you never know. And then x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Draw the line. Change the signs. Boom, boom, boom. Gone, gone. Negative 4 plus 2. I end up with negative, whoops. I end up with negative 2. And then bring down the next thing, which is a 1. Now here, I can't multiply x squared by anything to get negative 2x because negative 2x has a lesser degree. It's got a smaller power, basically. So this is my remainder. And I suppose you could write r and then negative 2x plus 1, but I always think it's better to add the remainder on at the end, so I'll write negative 2x plus 1 over the thing I was dividing by, which was x squared minus 2.